Hello everyone. So we have this very interesting geometry question with us today. Let's see what is given to us and what we need to find out. So first thing is it is given that line P and Q are parallel to each other. This is given here. Yes, line P and Q are parallel to each other. We need to find angle X, angle Y and angle Z. So let's see how we can find these angles. So since these lines are parallel to each other, angle X, please look here, this angle and this whole angle 40 plus x by 3, right? This angle x and this whole angle 40 plus x by 3 forms alternate angles. Yes, they together form alternate angles. So let's use this. Angle x is equals to 40 plus x by 3. Why? These are alternate angles. Correct. Now if we solve this, what we will get? Let's see. If we solve this, we will get x minus x by 3 equals to 40 degree, or we can say we will get 2x by 3 equals to 40 degree, or x equals to 60 degree. X equals to 60 degree. Correct. So let's mark these angles in the figure. X is 60 degree. So this is x by 3. That means this will be 60 by 3. That is 20 degree. Okay. Okay, let's look at angle Z. I'm changing the color. Angle Z plus angle X. Look at these two angles, angle Z and this angle X. These two forms a co-interior pair. These two angle forms a co-interior pair. That means the sum will be 180 degree. Co-interior pairs. Yes, co-interior angles. So we already know what is the value of angle x. Angle x is 60 degree. So we can easily find angle z. Angle z will be 180 degree minus 60 degree. That is angle x. So angle z will turn out to be 120 degree. Okay. So angle z turns out to be 120 degree. Let's mark it in the figure. This is 120 degrees. Okay. Now we are left with angle y. Now please look at angle y and x by 3. Let me change the color for this. Let me use green color. Now look at this angle. Look at this particular angle x by 3 and this angle y. If you look carefully, these two angles form an alternate pair. Yes, they both form an alternate pair. That's why angle y will be equal to x by 3. Let me write this down. Angle y is equals to x by 3, which is equals to 20 degree. Reason? Alternate angles. Alternate angles. Yes. So we have found out all the angles that we need. Angle x is 60 degree, angle z is 120 degree, and angle y is 20 degree. So let me write angle y also in the figure. This is 20 degree. So we have found out all the three angles. I hope you have understood. If yes, please like the video, subscribe the channel and share it with your friends. Thank you.